Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And today is probably going to be questions and answer day. We're going to go through some of the questions and make videos. And so one of the questions that came through, and I have it from time to time also, but today the question is, why is the computer using a trim function for solid-state drives, and is the default once a week that Windows is automatically doing fine, or should it be done more often or less often? And so this depends on the usage of your PC. So a solid-state drive, the trim functionality of a solid-state drive is simple. It's there to reorganize the spots of your hard drive, your solid-state drive, that have been used and have been flagged as being free for something else. And what the trim functionality will do is just prepare the drive so that the spots where there's new data that can be written are ready to accept new data. And over time, this makes the trim functionality usually makes your SSD drive kind of run at optimal speed. So if you go to your start menu or your search and you type optimize, you will have defragment and optimize drive in the system tools. So you click on that, and what's going to happen is it's going to open the trim page or the optimized drive page. Now, here it says that the last trim that I had was done 0 days ago. And what are the settings? How often does it happen? Well, you go down, and in the scheduled optimization, which is turned on, you click change settings, and you will see that it runs on a weekly schedule. In my case, the frequency is once a week. So this means once a week, my SSD drive gets trimmed and everything gets placed so that it is ready for optimization for using the drive with new files, new games, whatever you put on it, or and so on. Is once a week enough? For most people, this is all right, and you should not change it. But if you are a user, a power user, in terms of huge files that you erase, that you download, that you change place, that you erase again, and so on, huge software that you uninstall, it's not a bad idea to sometimes trim more often. A heavy user could trim daily, and to make sure that all that space is available as soon as possible, because you are, in fact, manipulating very big files. But if it's not the case of big files, if you're not, using those gigabyte files that you erase all the time, in general, a weekly trim is enough, and that should be the optimal use for it. So this is just all right the way it is. So just let your SSD trim once a week, and it will always, for the most part, be ready for new files and new software you might want to install. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.